Hi guys, today I'm going to be soldering these wires together. Because why not? So I've got my trusty old soldering iron. I'll go out and... Yeah, I didn't think it was a good idea. But it was really dirty. So I just had to sand it. It's pretty clean now though. It's like, it looks brand new. Oh my... Wait, tip's not hot yet. Yeah, I don't know why it does that. But I've got it really clean. Okay, the tip is hot now. So that should be good to go. I don't know why it does that. I mean, I did leave it next to the window at night. I left it outside the window dangling at night. I got some water in it, so that's probably why it does that. So that's not that big of a deal though. Probably just the water heating up. Oh, it smells nice. Oh, that screw's hot. Why is that? I should put something over that. This is a warning to myself to not touch that. Oh, that bit's hot. That bit's really hot. It's not hot enough yet. Although